So today is Friday's video, and what you will need to do is go to the week at a glance, and you can um, you can watch the video of me reading this book from yesterday, or you can just read it on your own. Um, it's really up to you, depending on what you want to do. But you're gonna reread or watch the video again of the Read Aloud Exploring Seeds. And then what you're going to do is draw a picture. So on a piece of paper, draw a picture to show the beginning, middle, and end of the plant life cycle. And then you're going to take a picture of the drawing and upload it to your Class Dojo portfolio. That's what you're doing today for your reading, and I am going to remind you again that your specials teachers are working to make you fun art activities and computer activities and stuff like that. So make sure you check that out too, so that you can upload that to your Class Dojo portfolio, so I can see your beautiful work and see your beautiful faces. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good weekend.